Hello everyone, this is Don. Thank you for being here, it means a lot to me. Right now I'm standing at Mount Teide. It's a very big mountain. We are now up about over 2,000 meters. Behind me you see the volcano. We are in Tenerife. I wanted to make this video to show you who is behind all the videos on this channel. So you will see my face once. I'm probably only going to do it once because I think it is nice for people to know who is behind it and who is making these videos. And you know, it started off because I really wanted to show the world to myself at first, because I go to lots of beautiful places and usually I didn't record it. So I thought I should record these places, and it could be very relaxing to do it just with a slow walking video, and watching it back could be very nice. So that's how it started. And then I thought, okay, I'm gonna make a YouTube channel and why not share it with the rest of the world? And you know, in the beginning I saw lots of people actually are going to watch it, so I was a bit surprised. And I really like it, of course, to see the engagement and see people react to it. And yeah, it's become my passion, really. I really like to do it. I think walking is extremely healthy, and what's nicer than share these beautiful places with other people around the world. So I hope you enjoy the channel, and if there's anything that you would like me to do and like me to go somewhere, just let me know. And thank you for all the support on the channel. I really appreciate it, and I see you in the next video. Goodbye everyone.